Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Peter. Alright, so in today's video I want to address a very common question in Excel, which is how do I delete blank rows in my data set? How do I delete blank rows in my data set? Obviously, you know how to delete blank rows in your data set. You can do this manually. Like this, but truth be told, you don't want to be doing that if you have a very huge data set. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to delete, how to clean, how to delete your empty rows in your data set using a very fast method. So we're going to be looking at 3 methods maybe. Alright, so let's start. To delete an empty blank rows in your data set, first thing you need to do is to find your identifying column. Is column G our identifying column? No. We have an empty cell in column G, but the whole row is not empty. So the best column to use here is column A. As you can see, whenever there is an empty cell in column A, the whole row is completely empty. The whole row is completely empty, unlike this one, So we are going to be using our column A. So the first thing we need to do is to select the whole column. Alright, go to find and select, click on go to special, click on blanks, click OK. Can you see all the blank cells have been selected? Alright, the next thing to do is to click on delete sheet rows. That is it. It is as simple as that. Sometimes you might want to be making use of keyboard shortcuts, so let's try that. Let's click on column A, the entire column A, do Ctrl G, click on special, click on blanks, click on OK. The next thing you might want to do is to do Ctrl minus and delete entire row. Click on delete entire row, click on OK, and all the empty rows will be deleted. Alright, let's check another method. Another method you might want to use is that in this column A, we have an empty cell that the whole row is not completely empty. In this case, we cannot use the first method in this case. So what are we going to use? Let's create an upper column. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be making use of count A function, so that any column, when we count this column and it gives us a number, maybe number 1, 2, 3 or 4, we are not going to delete. But if we count and it gives us 0, we will delete. So let's do that. Count A. What does count A does? It counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. Alright, so let's select our range. This is our range. Press OK. Let's copy down the formula. As you can see, this row 3 is giving us 5. That's 5 inputs. Right, but row 5 has 0 input. So we're going to be delete all the numbers that have 0, all the cells that have 0 in this column. So how do we do that? Let's filter. So go to sort and filter, click on the filter, then unselect or click on 0. That is it. So we're going to be deleting all the 0 by selecting it. Go to delete sheet rows. It has been deleted now. So to bring back all our data, let's go to sort and filter and click again on the filter button. Can you see? They are all back and our data is clean. All the empty rows have been deleted. Alright, so the next method I am going to be showing you is that we're going to be making use of Power Query Editor. How do we do that? The first thing we need to do is to select our whole data set. Select your whole data set. Let's give it a name. Let's go to the name box. This is where you give your range a name. Alright, so my data, that is the name we are giving it. We call it my data. This should not contain a space. Alright, press enter. So anytime you want to go back to your selection, you can click again, go to my data. Alright, so the next thing to do is to go to the data menu, click on from table range. Alright, click OK. As you can see, our Power Query Editor is loading. In this Power Query Editor, we are going to be removing all the empty rows from our data set. Click on Remove Rows. Click on Remove Blank Rows. All the blank rows have been removed from our data set. The next thing to do is to close and load our data set back into Excel. This is it. All the empty rows have been removed from our data set. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I really appreciate. Please subscribe and share my videos. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.